Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, I definitely still think this is a 1, 2, 3. We are approaching that 161% Fibonacci extension level that I've been talking about, but you have to realize that the 161 is usually only a minimum that a wave 3 can go. Wave 3s can go way beyond that. It's 261 sometimes and even more. But does seem like a pretty likely place to make a pullback for a wave 4 and then another push up for a wave 5. But I'm just trying to let you know that a wave 3 does not have to stop at the 161.8. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like a wave 1, it looks like a wave 2, and then it's all subdivisions of a wave 3. So this is like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and wave 5 of wave 3. I also have a projection for the wave 5 on here, which is right around the 2550, 2560 area. So I'm definitely still pretty bullish on gold. I do not really think this trend is over yet. Going down to the daily time frame, it definitely looks like it's trying to lose momentum, but I mean the trend is definitely up without a doubt. I mean it's still making higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. I definitely would still only be looking for longs on shorter time frames, maybe taking it up to about the 255, 260 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I was definitely thinking this was going to be a 1-2-3 pattern, 1-2-3 pattern. But there's a reason why I only trade in one direction and why I didn't sort this and don't plan on sorting this. It's because even though it looked like it should do this, what ended up happening, because the trend is up on every single higher time frame, what happened? Instead of going down and making a more proper ABC correction, it just kept on drifting up. Very common, especially when the higher time frames are in a wave 3, because a wave 3 is the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down right here. Really, we're at the 88%. But man, even on the 1 hour time frame, this thing is continuing to make higher highs, higher lows. I was thinking that we might get a push down on the higher time frames, like the 4 hour, for a more proper looking ABC correction. But like I said, we are in a wave 3 on the higher time phase, and wave 3s are the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. I honestly would not be surprised if this thing just drifted all the way up towards that 61.8 Fibonacci extension. And like I was explaining on the very high time phase, it does not have to stop there. It can potentially go way beyond that level. So the trend is up, and until the trend is proven not to be up, I still would be looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see, because the trend is your friend, and trading with the trend is definitely gives you a way more high probability of being a successful, consistently profitable trader. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.